everyone, I'm Jasmine from Hexasync. Today in this live stream, I will show you how Hexasync sync data between Microsoft Dynamics F&O and e-commerce. As you know, e-commerce is one of the largest e-commerce platforms in the world, providing software as a service to retailers. The software platform includes online store creation, search engine optimization, hosting and marketing, and security. This platform is suitable for all small and enterprise-sized businesses. According to Bloomberg, e-commerce almost tripled quickly when it started trading in the US. On the other hand, Microsoft Dynamics Finance and Operations, the enterprise resource planning system of Microsoft for medium and large organizations. This provides real-time visibility to decision-making, forecast future outcomes, and drive organizational growth. The software is part of Microsoft Dynamics 365 product, first released in November 2016 as Dynamics 365 for Operations. In July 2017, it was re-released as Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operations.
Now, let's start with the sales order data synchronization follow first. There are three main tabs in the demo: e-commerce store, Hexasync integration platform, and Microsoft Dynamics F&O system. Firstly, I will go back to the e-commerce store and search for the product name I want to create a sales order, and then add to cart. Click on checkout. In here, we have to fill all information like customer, shipping address, shipping method, billing, and payment. Finally, I click on place order. Alright, new sales order is completely created with the number 355. I will copy this code and go to the Hexasync integration platform. There are various types of Microsoft Dynamics e-commerce integration. I will check the data on sales order guest, clear filter, and search for by ID 355. So my sales order is pulled from e-commerce to Hexasync integration, and the destination ID is the number sequence. We can make sure that the data is updated to Microsoft Dynamics F&O. After that, I will check the data on the Microsoft Dynamics F&O by entering the sales orders on the search bar. And I will choose the section Retail Commerce Inquiry and Report. Yeah, as you see on screen, the new sales order is successfully synced from e-commerce to Microsoft Dynamics with full information in real time, such as product number, product name, quantity, and price. The next follow I will conduct in this demo is product sync. I will, to make sure that this product is not created, I will go to the e-commerce store and check. You can see that the Vina t-shirt is not available on e-commerce store. And now I will go to the Microsoft Dynamics. And one thing you can make sure that you have to change to consultant retail USA and enter on the search bar release product. I will choose the product information management products and click on new button. The new release product box is appear. We have to fulfill all information here. and click OK. So the VNatural new product is completely created. I will go to the Hexasync integration and check the data on the Microsoft Dynamics BigCommerce product. Clear filter and search for by product name. I will reload again. So the VNatural is born from Microsoft to Hexasync with the destination ID. Now I will go to the BigCommerce store and check the data. The VNatural is successfully updated from Hexasync to BigCommerce with name, price, and SKU in the real time. The demonstration is over now. Hopefully, the demo can have you visualize how Hexasync works. Thanks for watching.
Hexa, connecting applications, automating processes,